Yeah, today we have another Toyota, an Alphard. This is the hybrid version, the ATH20, and 2012 January. They're all four-wheel drive. They have electric motors, and this one has 53,000 miles, 85,000 kilometers. It's the G edition, so it's got a few nice interior features, and just a really nice, clean car. The hybrid cars here in Japan are hugely popular and a very sensible alternative to full electric cars. They don't require massive amounts of lithium, which there is a limited amount in the world. I don't honestly know how the hell this world is going to go totally to electric battery cars. Doesn't sound sensible at all. And if you've been following the news, Germany basically said their deadline for marketing internal combustion cars was, I think it was going to be 2035. I've just read that they're putting that back. They're saying it's not a practical decision. The UK, I understood, was 2030, which sounds ludicrous, but anyway, probably definitely won't happen. So the hybrid is a good compromise, I think, personally. In Japan, they're a lot more economical, depending on how you drive any car. I mean, the main... One of the cats is attacking my car there. Anyway, whatever. So this one, yeah, it's just a nice example. This is, of course, a hybrid, and let's take a look at it. It's got the AFS HID lights, front fog lights. The body is just very clean, nothing specifically to mention. It's got the standard factory alloys with very usable radial tires. It has auto folding mirrors when you open and close the door, or lock the car, sorry. And of course, as usual, Dropbox photographs with comprehensive photographs of the underneath. You can see how clean it is. This one has 3 power doors, so the rear door is also... Oh, I had to unlock it first. Let me see. Unlock. And now we can open the rear door. And it comes with 2 smart keys. We always make sure there's 2 keys with every car. And the interior is just very clean. It's a 7-seater. The additional third headrest is inside the pouch here. Okay, closing the door. It has all-round parking sensors on the front and rear bumpers. Give some assistance. I mean, these cars are quite big, so it's very useful to have. This one also has a rear camera with guidance. As mentioned, wheels are all spotless, and the panels as well. Again, in 2012, January, with 53,000 miles. All the chrome is nice and bright. Let's open the rear doors. And have the really show you the condition. But do look at the Dropbox photographs. Just a nice, clean car. Headlining's all good. Of course, it has keyless entry and keyless push start as well. So if the key is in your pocket, you don't need to use it. And you can see the condition of the driver mat. Still very good. And the driver's seat. No wear that you wouldn't expect from a car with 50,000 miles. And right, let's get the ignition on. You can see all. Let's turn the. Okay, so you can see the warning lights are all off, and it's an EV, so it's it's going to, the engine started to start charging. It has EV mode and eco mode. I have all the manuals inside this pouch, and see the dash is all clean. No ashtray. Got cup holders here. And you've got center box here. You've got audio controls on the steering wheel and cruise control. Down here you've got various buttons. This is the for the power mirrors. This is an illuminated fog switch. We've put the switch in, but it's not installed, and it doesn't have a rear fog, so your MOT guy will need to do that. And also you've got multiple positions for the driver's seat if you've got more than one regular driver. And you've got interior switches for the power doors. Nice clean dash. And of course windscreen. There's no blemishes on the windscreen. And I think that is about it. Oh yeah, just display the rear camera with guidance. And that's about it for here. Steering wheel is also it's leather, of course, and it's very nice. These it's fake veneer, it's not real veneer, but there again, if you're buying these, run your hand behind the steering wheel because sometimes they get a bit flaky on the very back. And so if you are buying one from somebody, it's a little thing to check, along with the, actually on these hybrids we haven't had the problem. On the early 20 series non-hybrids, we have had some sticky dashes. So, watch out for that. It can be dealt with. Okay, so yeah, I think that is it for the interior. Oh, the front seats are also power operated, which is useful for making minor adjustments and some just a lot easier. And let's take a look at the engine compartment. So this is the hybrid drive and the inverter, and this is the normal engine, 2.4 2.4 litre petrol engine as well. And we supply our current diagnostics reports for the battery and the hybrid system. And we sold a lot of hybrid Alphards, and we've had very few problems, very few problems. Very occasionally we will replace one of the battery cells, which is not a complicated thing to do and not expensive. It's basically, these cars, you don't replace the battery. I mean, it's very rare. And these, in the auctions, you see these with 300,000-400,000 kilometers. It's and this year as well. So it's they're very reliable. Toyota's been manufacturing them for 25 years, so obviously ironed out a lot of the problems, and they're getting better and better. So if you're looking for a economical people carrier, then this is what it is. I mean, there are different versions. This is the more basic version, you could say. I mean, you get them with sunroofs and full leather, and well, basically that's the only difference, sunroof and full leather. But they are considerably more. And this, you get all the functions in this model and the economy. So if this car does interest you, please do talk to Paul at JAA, Japan Auto Agents, and he can help you to walk you through buying it, and then we can organize the shipping to, well, normally to the UK, but also to other places. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.